Thank you to the brand for gifting me this rolling ball dog lick bowl so I could try it out and tell you about it. I've gone ahead and made some bone broth. You could put yogurt in it. It comes with a suction on it. My only advice to you is if you put it on top of the counter when you're filling it up, it will stick to it because it has a good stick. What you're going to want to do is push these little black levers here to open it up. And there it goes. Has the ball in it. And you're going to pour your bone broth. Pour it carefully because it's warm. And I spilled some. And you'll put your ball in there. And take the sides and stick them back in. And push it in. Oop. And there you go. And when the dog licks, there it is. We'll show it to you and have my dog try it out. Yay! He likes it.